What is up, everyone? Today we are building the ultimate custom gaming PC. This is going to be a step-by-step guide to building your dream gaming rig. First, let us look at all the components. We have got the CPU, a high-end RTX graphics card, DDR5 RAM, fast NVMe storage, a modular power supply, and this beautiful RGB case. Starting with the case, we are installing these RGB case fans to get optimal airflow. Make sure to mount them with the correct orientation for intake or exhaust. Now, the heart of the system, the CPU, carefully drop it into the socket. Apply our thermal paste in a small pea-sized amount, and mount that CPU cooler on top. Time for the RAM. These DDR5 sticks go in with a satisfying click. Make sure to use the recommended slots for dual-channel performance. Now we lower the entire motherboard into the case, secure it with the screws, and connect all those front panel headers for power, reset, and USB. Here comes the star of the show, the graphics card. Slide it into the PCIe slot and secure it with the bracket. This thing is massive. Power time. We are using a 1000-watt modular PSU. Route that 24-pin motherboard cable, the CPU power, and that 12S BWR connector for the GPU. Let us add some storage. This NVMe SSD goes directly into the M2 slot with its heatsink. Blazing fast load times incoming. And now the satisfying part, cable management. All those cables neatly routed and tied down for a clean build that looks as good as it performs. This is the moment of truth. Press the power button and look at those lights come on. The motherboard post is successful. Let us test this beast, running Cyberpunk 2077 at max settings. Look at those frame rates, that ray tracing. This build delivers. There you have it, the ultimate custom gaming PC build. All RGB lit up, perfect cable management, and running like a dream. If you enjoyed this build, smash that subscribe button.